अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे नोट टेकिंग टेक्निक्स। नोट टेकिंग इज़ अ प्रोसेस ऑफ समराइजिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम स्पोकन मटेरियल। नोट टेकिंग इज़ अ रेगुलर प्रोसेस ऑफ राइटिंग डाउन इंपॉर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन, आइडियाज और व्यू पॉइंट्स एंड आर्गुमेंट्स contained in a written text or for further references. This skill requires practice. We forget rapidly, but strategies for taking notes and editing your notes may help you a lot in retaining your information for examination. Reason for note taking. These notes is an important part of a life of every student. These are the reason why note taking is important. When you are reading or listening, taking notes help you concentrate. In order to take notes, must understand the text. Note help you to maintain a permanent record of what you have to read or listening to. This is useful when revising in the future for examination. The key to effective taking notes: understanding key points, be an active listener, don't be afraid to ask questions, write only what you needed, organize your notes, write down clearly. Method of note taking. There are different methods of note taking used by the student. These methods are as follows. Outlining method. The outlining note taking method use heading and build point to organize topic. This method is very useful when learning about topics that includes a lot of details. And outline method must show the importance of ideas and the relationship between ideas. Each section start with the heading of main points. Charting method. Charting is a particular type of note taking that works best when multiple topics are discussed simultaneously, as with comparison and when one topic is cut up into the multiple part. Mapping. For visual thinkers, it might help to take notes using a mind map or simply mapping. This note taking techniques use branching graphs like spider diagrams to organize information in a way that's easy to group or compare. Time management. Time management refers to the way that you organize and plan how long you spend on specific activity. Benefits of time management: gender productivity and effectiveness, a better professional reputation, less stress, gather information and achievement. Important: good time, more energy; poor time, less energy. Good time, reduce stress; more poor energy, poor time, increase stress. Good time, work accuracy, complete tasks, shorten task time, and helps the incomplete task, larger long task. So I'm so sorry about it. Write a to-do list. Again, I'm so sorry for that. The background noise, I'm so sorry, extremely sorry for that. To-do list serve as a reminder of the important tasks that you need to arrange. Do the most important task first. You should have to post the list in a front page your mirror. So ये सारे इसको पढ़ लें, बड़े अच्छे से नोट्स बनाए हुए हैं। और नेक्स्ट वीडियो तक मुझे दीजिए इजाज़त। सी यू सून। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।